That familiar tick-tock from a turn signal began as the sound of a real electrical switch. In many modern cars, the original mechanism is gone, but the sound remains because drivers still need clear feedback. Older cars often used a thermal flasher. Inside was a thin strip made from two bonded metals. When electricity flowed toward the indicator bulbs, the strip heated up. Because the two metals expanded by different amounts, the strip bent and opened an electrical contact. Think of it like a metal ruler that slowly bends until it suddenly jumps away from a switch. The circuit opens, the lamps go dark, and the strip begins to cool. Then it springs back, closes the contact, and turns the lamps on again. Each movement can produce a click. Heating and cooling repeat the cycle, creating both the flashing light and the familiar rhythm. The sound was therefore not originally added as entertainment. It was a side effect of the device physically switching the current on and off. Modern cars often control their lights electronically. A control module can time the flashes without repeatedly heating a metal strip. Some systems still operate a relay that makes a real mechanical click. Others create the sound through a small speaker or buzzer in the instrument cluster. In some vehicles, software can even change the character or volume of the sound. Why keep it when the electronics could be silent? Because the click is useful feedback. It tells you, without taking your eyes off the road, that the signal is active and flashing at a steady pace. It works like the sound from a keyboard key. The sound is not what performs the task, but it confirms that the action happened. There is also a little-known warning hidden in the rhythm. In many vehicles, a much faster click, often called hyperflash, can indicate that an indicator lamp has failed or that the system detects an unusual electrical load. Older thermal and electronic flashers reacted directly to the changed current. Modern computer-controlled cars may reproduce the faster rhythm deliberately to warn the driver. But not every vehicle uses the same design, and the click is not always coming from the car's main entertainment speakers. It may come from a relay, a dashboard speaker, or another warning device. So why does a car's turn signal click? The original answer was moving electrical contacts. The modern answer is driver feedback. What began as the natural sound of a switching mechanism became a familiar safety cue that car makers often preserve even after the old hardware disappears.